Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset iPhone without losing everything. So if you want to perform a reset of your iPhone, you have pretty much two options. The first one is by going to settings, then you want to go to general, scroll down and go to transfer or reset iPhone, and then you can choose reset, and then you have the option to reset all settings. Of course you won't erase everything on your device, but you will revert every change made in settings to the default options. So this is one way to reset your iPhone. However, of course, this is not a fresh start. If you actually want to make a fresh start, then you have to choose erase all content and settings over here. Of course, you will have to make a backup before before you actually decide to erase everything. Since you don't want to lose everything, you should make a backup. And you have pretty much two choices. You can use iTunes on your computer, on your PC or Mac or whatever, in order to create the backup, or you can use iCloud. Now if you want to use iCloud, then of course you can go to your Apple account settings, so in the settings tab on your name, and then over here you can go to iCloud, then choose iCloud backup, and now you can make backup over here. Right now I am making backup actually. There we go. So you can press this button over here in order to perform the backup, and later on you can use the backup and restore pretty much every data that was saved by doing so. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!